Let's start with the first program. First program is having two parts, 1A and 1B. 1A is write a Python program to find the best of two test average marks out of three test marks accepted from the user. The user he has to enter the marks of three tests. Out of the three test marks, best of two will be selected and average of that best of two will be displayed. This is the first program. Okay, so to begin with, we will be having three variables. One is test1, test2, and test3, and they will be taking the float value input, and we will be reading the input from the keyboard. This input function that is used to read the input from the keyboard that prompt the user for the input. So first it will be asking you to enter the marks of test 1, and what marks you will be entering, it will be stored in test 1 variable. And next it will be asking you to enter the mark of test 2, and that will be stored in the variable test 2. And later it will be asking you to enter the mark of test 3, and it will be stored in variable test 3. After that you will be calculating the average of three tests. Okay, to calculate the average of three tests, sum of three test marks divided by 3, it will be average 1. So it will be average of all the three tests. To calculate best of 2, you will be using the variable best of 2. Best of 2 is sum of 3 test marks minus minimum marks. Out of the 3 test marks, minimum test marks will be subtracted from the sum and divided by 2. So it will give you best of 2, and you will be printing the results. So print the average of three tests is average 1, that is average of three test marks, and the best of two test is best of 2. So like that you will be getting the output. To execute that one, initially it will be asking you to enter mark for test 1, example 20, and after that enter mark for test 2, 24, and after that enter mark for test 3, 19. So average of three test is 21. 20 plus 24 plus 19 divided by 3 is 21. And best of two test is 24 plus 22 divided by 2, that is 22.